Are you looking for a company that cares more about you and your client than the bottom line? What about common sense underwriting, where you can have an open door policy and talk directly to your underwriter and key decision makers? What about culture? A team approach. Everybody works for the same common goal. Well, so was I, and why I started my company in 2008. But don't just take my word for it.
What makes IMG stand out to us at our branch and me personally is we've really got all the products and the programs that these big companies have. We've worked for these big companies in the past. We've talked to some of these big companies, and really at the end of the day, we've got the same stuff that they do. And what makes us a little bit more appealing is we've got that boutique feel. You know, it's not always going to go smooth. It's not always going to go easy. Sometimes you need to be able to text a head underwriter, text management, text ownership even, and get a quick response if you're in a pinch. And again, that doesn't happen very often, but when it is needed or does happen, the ability to, again, text that head underwriter, text ownership, and help get that ship to shore is huge. You just really don't get that at these bigger box companies. So that is a huge reason why we're with IMG. Sometimes people worry about at the smaller companies, well, I may not be competitive rate wise. I may not have, XYZ product. I honestly can say that I have not lost a deal due to having a high rate or not having a product.
Being in the mortgage business for 23 years and being with multiple companies in the past, company culture is something that's very important, and IMG has the best culture. I've never seen and been a part of a company that truly is family. They will go over and beyond to work with you, to work with your clients. It's more like a family transaction. It is not ops against sales, which is huge in our industry. It is truly family that really wants to get the deal done, and every department from underwriting to closing works together to get the deal closed. And I have never in my career been able to get loans clear to close and close as fast as I have with IMG.
I became the second top producer, it feels good saying it out loud, in the company this year, and I've grown my business by 40% every single year that I've been here. And I would be lying if I didn't say that that is not because of me. It truthfully is because of the team behind me. Our VP supports me day after day, and he is the type that I always say wants to see you succeed more than he succeeds. And that says a lot because that kind of leadership is rare.
One thing I really like about IMG is there aren't layers and layers of management. You can count the number of people on our leadership team on less than one hand. And they really are so much more than just bosses. They truly are friends and mentors who genuinely care and are just a cell phone call away if you ever need them. Like all of us, I've had highs and lows. I've had times where I've crushed it and times when I've struggled. But through it all, they've always shown me unwavering support and have stood by me every step of the way. If you're watching this, you're probably looking for a company where you can truly excel, feel supported, and be part of a genuinely caring team. And I can tell you, IMG checks every one of those boxes.
So you just heard some great stories of why people love working at IMG, why many of those have been here greater than 5, 10, and yes, even 15 years. It's because the executive management team and I, coupled along with every department manager, care about our employees. We care about your customers, and we care about your referral partners. Let me ask you a couple quick questions. Are you struggling with your underwriting, closing, or processing departments? Let me ask you an even more important question. Do you want to have fun in the mortgage business again? We have fun here at IMG, and yes, it is possible to have fun in the mortgage industry. If you answered yes to either one of those two questions, please give Kelly or I a call today so we can discuss with you how to move over to IMG and we can make that move seamless. Our contact information is on the page. We look forward to speaking with you soon. Hope you have a real blessed day.